this video, we are going to show you how to use the Neo Infinite agent in Flowith.io. Now, Neo Agent is available even on the free tier. So when you have a new flow, as you can see here, this is a new one. We don't have anything yet here. And if you look at the options here, it says chat, image, video, slides, website, and Neo Agent. You want to highlight the Neo Agent before you do anything or before you start prompting. That is the Neo Agent. Now, Neo Infinite is a higher tier. It's only available when you pay for subscription. So how do you do that? You want to move to your cursor on the upper right corner of the screen, click on your credits. This pop-up will appear. You want to click on upgrade, and this new pop-up will appear and shows you all the plans of Pro, Ultimate, Infinite. So once you subscribe to any of these, you will have the option to use Neo Infinite instead of the typical Neo Agent that is available when you create your free account. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.